Ever found yourself staring at the dizzying world of cryptocurrency, wondering where to even begin? Or maybe you're already dipping your toes in, but the sheer number of platforms out there leaves you scratching your head about which one truly suits your needs. You're not alone. Millions are navigating this exciting yet complex landscape, and choosing the right trading platform is the first crucial step on your crypto journey. Think of it like choosing a vehicle. Both a sleek sports car and a reliable pickup truck will get you from point A to point B, but their features, capabilities, and overall experience will be vastly different depending on what you intend to do. Similarly, when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges, platforms like Kraken and Robinhood offer distinct approaches to buying, selling, and managing your digital assets. Now, you might be thinking, aren't they both just places to buy Bitcoin? And while that's true at a fundamental level, digging deeper reveals significant differences in their features, fees, security measures, and the overall experience they provide. These distinctions can have a real impact on your trading success and your peace of mind. So, the big question we're tackling today is, Kraken versus Robinhood, which crypto trading platform reigns supreme for you? We're not going to give you a definitive winner right off the bat. Instead, we'll dissect each platform, exploring their strengths and weaknesses across key areas, empowering you to make an informed decision based on your individual needs and trading style. Let's start by understanding the core identity of each platform. Kraken, established in 2011, is one of the veterans in the cryptocurrency exchange space. It has built a reputation for its robust security features, a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and advanced trading tools catering to more experienced traders. Think of Kraken as the seasoned professional, offering a comprehensive suite of features for those who are serious about navigating the intricacies of the crypto market. Robinhood, on the other hand, burst onto the scene with its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading for stocks. It later expanded into cryptocurrency, aiming to make digital assets accessible to a broader audience, particularly beginners. Robinhood often feels like the intuitive and streamlined option, prioritizing simplicity and ease of use. Now, let's dive into some crucial aspects to consider when choosing between these two platforms. Cryptocurrency selection. This is often a primary factor for many traders. Kraken boasts a significantly larger selection of cryptocurrencies compared to Robinhood. You'll find major players like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, on both, but Kraken offers a much wider array of altcoins, including smaller and more niche projects. If you're looking to explore a diverse range of digital assets beyond the mainstream, Kraken provides far more options. Robinhood's selection, while growing, remains relatively limited to the more popular cryptocurrencies. Trading fees. This is where a significant difference lies. Robinhood famously offers commission-free trading for cryptocurrencies. This means you don't pay a separate fee for each buy or sell order you execute. This can be very attractive, especially for beginners or those who trade frequently with smaller amounts. Kraken, on the other hand, operates on a tiered fee structure based on your 30-day trading volume. For lower volume traders, the fees are typically a percentage of the transaction value. While these fees might seem less appealing than free, it's important to consider the potential hidden costs or limitations associated with commission-free platforms, which we'll touch on later. Kraken's fee structure becomes more competitive as your trading volume increases. Trading interface and experience. This is where Robinhood often shines, particularly for newcomers. Its mobile-first design is clean, intuitive, and incredibly easy to navigate. Buying and selling cryptocurrencies on Robinhood is a straightforward process, making it feel less intimidating for those new to the crypto world. Kraken's interface, while functional, is generally considered more complex and geared towards experienced traders. It offers a wider range of order types, charting tools, and advanced trading features that might overwhelm beginners. However, for those who need these more sophisticated tools for technical analysis and precise order execution, Kraken provides a more robust platform. Security. Security is paramount when dealing with your hard-earned money, especially in the often volatile crypto market. Kraken has a long-standing reputation for its strong security measures. They employ various techniques, including cold storage for the majority of user funds, two-factor authentication, and robust encryption protocols. Their proactive approach to security has earned them a high level of trust within the crypto community. Robinhood, while also implementing security measures like two-factor authentication, has faced some scrutiny in the past regarding its security protocols and incident response. While they have taken steps to improve, their security track record isn't as long or as consistently praised as Kraken's. Regulation and compliance. Both Kraken and Robinhood operate within the regulatory frameworks of the jurisdictions they serve. However, Kraken, with its longer history and broader international presence, has generally been perceived as having a more proactive and comprehensive approach to regulatory compliance. Robinhood has faced some regulatory challenges in the past, particularly concerning its stock trading practices, which have spilled over into discussions about its crypto operations. Customer support. When issues arise, reliable customer support is crucial. Kraken offers various support channels, including live chat, email, and a comprehensive help center. While some users have reported occasional delays in response times, their support is generally considered knowledgeable and helpful. Robinhood primarily offers customer support through email and an in-app help center. While they have been working to improve their response times, some users have expressed frustration with the limited availability of phone support, which can be critical when dealing with urgent issues. Advanced features. For experienced traders, advanced features can make a significant difference. Kraken offers a wider array of order types beyond basic market and limit orders, including stop-loss, take-profit, and conditional orders. They also provide margin trading in certain jurisdictions and with associated risks, futures trading in some regions, and staking options for certain cryptocurrencies, allowing you to earn passive income on your holdings. Robinhood's offerings in terms of advanced features are considerably more limited. They primarily focus on simple buy and sell orders and do not currently offer margin trading or futures trading for cryptocurrencies. They do offer staking for a limited number of cryptocurrencies. Educational resources. For beginners, access to educational resources can be invaluable. Kraken offers a learning center with articles, guides, and videos covering various aspects of cryptocurrency trading and blockchain technology. This can be a valuable resource for those looking to deepen their understanding of the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.